It's on already.
Okay, guys, sorry about that. So today we're gonna be doing a little interview.
Don't turn your head. Don't turn your head. Okay. Don't turn.
Can I turn now?
Okay, turn now. Look at how.
Don't show my face.
I'm not showing your face. I'm showing the sky with my.
Okay, now record. Oh, not my face. Get my
Okay,
face?
no, I did not get your face.
So guys, today we're going to be doing an interview, and it's going to be about what? Amy, come here! Stop being so lazy!
No, I'm zooming in, so it makes me look like I'm not lazy.
Well, we're just being exposed. So this way through, if you guys didn't know, I have roller skates, and I'm okay at roller skates.
Okay, now you're really far away. Don't turn around. Now. No. Look at the sky, the beautiful. Quickly, Elijah. Awesome. Okay.
So, looks like Amy's not trying to be lazy anymore. Anyway, guys, so we're gonna be showing you what we're gonna do in future videos, and
You don't have to cover your face.
we're gonna be showing you what we're gonna do in future videos, and it's just gonna be all about that. So I really hope you guys. Amy
Didn't get your
Okay,
face.
So I know, but you put. Okay, so we're gonna be. Amy.
What? So, keep going.
Okay, I hope you can hear me. So I'm gonna go. It's like so like. So in our future videos,
Next video we're gonna be doing a Roblox video, but with no voice.
yeah, because we're gonna be doing a role play or what we're doing.
We're just gonna be playing, random playing.
Yeah, we're just gonna be like showing you stuff that we normally do in a daily Roblox basis.
Yeah, that's exactly what we do. No. Actually, we're gonna be showing you decorating our house.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be decorating Amy's, or are you gonna help me?
She will be decorating Amy's house. Yes.
Your house.
Yes. Who cares? I got the recently new container house. That's really cool. Don't turn around yet.
Okay.
Turn around now. Turn around now.
So guys, you like this spider on me.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, so sorry.
Guys, don't you think she's a little bit fussy?
I hope you guys can hear me because I'm very know on social videos that I'm very loud.
So Amaya, she's not very good at roller skating, but now she's super good that she's gonna go pretty fast. Ready, guys? Ready? Go. Turn. Don't turn yet.
Can I take the hands off my face?
Yeah.
So I can go faster this way.
So I think that's all for today. That's all for today. That's all for today. Videos, no, interviews are in every 2 weeks. Please comment down below to ask any questions about the channel. Ready, set, woo! Quick face reel. Amy out.